What's going on, guys? So let's talk about Clov, Clover Health Investments, down 57 cents today, 6.5%. Not doing too much, right? I mean, we haven't really done anything since we let me scroll back here and see when we had this big pop here. If I kind of zoom out a little bit, when we had this big pop up to 28.85 back in June, first candle took us to 24.25, and then we had that next follow through the next day to $28-29, and then we've kind of sold off and we've been doing absolutely nothing. So let's take a look at Clove. Let's see where we can find a little area of opportunity to potentially make some money, because as a trader, that's what we're all looking to do. If you're a long-term investor, this video is probably not going to be for you, although it might help you out. So I'll just get out the investor standpoint here. So from a long-term investor standpoint, I guess anywhere in here, okay? And when I mean I mean that, we do have support down here at 650. So if you want the best possible price, that price is 650. Okay. Does it get down to 650? I don't think so. Maybe, but we do need to keep an eye on it. So I have this white line drawn here because I've kind of been watching Clove for a little bit now. It's $7.70. So this to me is going to be a demand zone. Just scrolling back, we can see why, because every time that we've been in that $7.50, $7.70 range, either it's been acted as support or it's acted as resistance. So 750 and 770 is going to be an area where we are either going to bounce, okay, and go higher, or we are going to break and go lower. If we break and go lower, there's potential that we could see this price have a 6 in front of it, okay? Just so you are clear, this price could potentially have a 6 in front of it. Now, do I personally think that that's going to happen? No. But what needs to happen, if that is going to happen, what needs to happen is that it needs to confirm this July 19th low candle here. You can see here out of the past week, 2 weeks here, this is the lowest candle channel in the past 2 weeks. And that price is 770. So if we get down here into the 770, 760, 750, and we don't get that bounce and we get a close below 770, which would be closing below this low channel here, potentially has room to slide where that price is going to have a 6. Now, what do I think is going to happen here? We've kind of tested this price once, twice, 3 times lately. I think that if we get down here into this price range, potentially we're going to chop around a little bit more and we're going to start to bounce up. Okay, we do have earnings on the 11th of August. So from an absolute explosion move, if you're looking to get into Clove because you want to see it go to 10, go to 13, go to 15, go to 20, it's not going to happen all in one day. Okay, you would need some sort of massive catalyst, extreme amounts of volume for that to happen. But if that doesn't happen, it's going to kind of continue to trickle away the way that it's been trickling away. Now, with that being said, that you need to start claiming $8.51. We need to get over $8.57. That would be taking care of this supply here at the 5 and the 10-day moving average. Okay, so if that makes sense, we need to get over 850 and 860 on the 5 and the 10-day moving average. If we get a close over that, we potentially have room to get back into the 9s. So this is going to be the first area of opportunity where a day trader and or scalper would be looking to get a trade. And when I mean get a trade, I mean taking 25, 50 cents, $1 off the move. You coming in with 1,000 shares here, you get this dollar move, you're taking $1,000 off the table, potentially keeping a runner, seeing what it wants to do. If you want to kind of wait around, you don't want to tie up your capital and let this trickle around for another couple of weeks, the big level that you're looking for here is a break over $11.15. That's going all the way back here to where this big gap and go started, where this big run up started. This stock is not going to do anything until it gets over $11. So if you want to play this long term because you believe that it's going to come back to 11 and you believe that it's going to go to 15 and 20, if you believe that, this is your buy zone. anywhere in here, you're not going to complain about $1.50. You want to get the stock as cheap as you can get it. You buy some here in the 7s, you buy some here in the 8s, you buy some down here in the 6s if it gets there, and then you wait, okay? And then you wait. That is your game plan. If you are a trader, right? If you are a swing trader or a day trader, you're not going to buy down here because you need some clear levels of support. You need a clear break in trend. And that first break in trend is closing over $8.50. If we get over this 10-day moving average, we have potential from $8.50 to $9.37. It's in the chart, guys. Everyone has access to these charts. This is your next supply zone. Why is this your next supply zone? Because that's going to correlate with the top of this channel going back to July 13th as well as July 7th. Pull it up on your charts, take a look at these 2 days, and you're going to see why we might get a little resistance in this area. So for Clov, if you're looking to trade the stock, there's currently no room in the trade until we get above 850, 860. From 850, 860, we have room into the low 9s. If you're waiting for the bigger move, I would not even mess around down here. I just wait for the day that it crosses $11.15. Close your eyes, click the mouse, because you're going to have room to 1382 and you're going to have room to 15. Okay, set an alert for the $11 area. That's when you're going to want to watch it. If you're a load up when the stock is low and hang on, and you don't care about the small ups and downs in the day, this is your load zone here. This is your load zone between $8.50 and $6. This is where you want to start loading the truck. Start loading your truck in here, Maybe they have good earnings, maybe they have good news. So maybe something crazy comes out with the company and this thing explodes, and who's better than you? You're in at this low price. However, if you're a trader and you don't want to tie up your capital, you're waiting for those two levels, 850, 11, 850, 11. It doesn't get any more simpler than that. If you want to load up, this is your buy zone. Okay, guys, I do have a Discord. That link will be down in the description below. Please, if you are watching the end of this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you think. Also subscribe to my channel. I will catch you guys all on the next one.